Hello Watchonista, I'm happy today to present you my new creation, new watch. Is the Chronomètre Contemporain. I put my name in this watch and chronometer because we deliver one certificate from Chronométrie de Besançon. I'm inspired for this watch by the pocket watch, officer pocket watch. You can find the big second here and the dial inspired by pocket watch, I said that, and Art Deco. This is an enamel Grand Feu. The case, it's very classic. You can find some line from Akrivia, but it's very classic. In the back you find the movement, totally symmetric. You have a click crotchet. You find the big barrel. You have one 100-hour power reserve. The balance wheel, the second here, wheels of second, and we have in that movement hackett second, reset 0. In the collection, this piece we produce in platinum with animal white dial and with red gold animal black dial.